So we are the Queensland wholesale and distributors for the pole air pipe and or compressed air pipe, as well as all the 𝗣𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗺 fittings. We do on-site installations for every sort of industry. So with the push system so far, we did a fit out in a non-insulated tin shed. The biggest factor behind that with our decision was that ambient temperature makes a very big difference to the rating of our pipe work, as well as obviously the rating of the fitting. So we wanted to sort of test it out at its worst. And we used it in a space where you generally wouldn't be able to put any form of other fitting behind, you know, purlins where you've got battens going across. You literally just can't fit your hand in to physically do the fittings up. Whereas a push fit system, it was just, all right, put the fitting behind, push the pipe in. As soon as it stops, you know it's done. It is just that much easier. Like when we first got the samples, we were unsure on how much pressure would need to be used to push the pipe into the fitting, especially because our pipe, as I said earlier, is a little bit thicker. So we were expecting to have to chamfer the pipe to create like a rounded edge to be able to push it in. But when we first got those fittings and we went to push in, it was like, is that it? Like, is that all the force we're going to need to use? The best part is with that system, if you ever need to, you can undo the fitting and just pull the pipe out. You know, there's no other system that I've seen that you can do that with. The system that we put it on to begin with, again, because we did worst case scenario, we put it on a system that didn't have filtration. We put it on a piston compressor that didn't have any form of drying. That system's been tested for the last 12 months, 18 months, about that, at full pressure all the time, and we have not had one issue so far. 100%. So we'll have a transition period, obviously, where we'll have to introduce the fitting and go around and show existing customers and suppliers and stuff like that. But there will be a transition period to the point where I would say majority of the parts that we will then sell is push fit.